up, yo gang? Welcome back to the channel. Y'all check this out. Y'all make sure y'all go to www.yokegang.com and pick up these t-shirts. Get your gun bag patch. They are going fast. I do not want you to miss out. I have sizes from small all the way to 4X. I thought about everyone, so make sure you pick yours up. With that being said, Steven, thank you so much for my dead shot. Is it? Yeah, dead shot shooting bag. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. But guess where I am? Oh, my hair's crazy. Guess where I am? And guess what I got? The Springfield Hellion. Oh! I'm so excited. Let me put this away. I don't need this. Let's go inside and I'm going to tell you all about her. Ignacio's not shy no more. I got what I need. I just need a few targets. Thank you. Alright, we are back. Y'all always hear me talk about the gun bag patches. Here they are. Let me give you a better look. This is how it looks. It has the Velcro backing. All you gotta do is stick it on your Velcro little slot on your bag, and that's how it'll look. It ain't going nowhere. It's very secure. That's it. Remember, as I said earlier, check out www.yokegang.com. Pick up a t-shirt. Pick up a patch. It's really appreciated. Y'all already know what the bag was for this. Y'all already know what the bag was for the Gilboa. I have no sponsors, and it's okay because I'm gonna do what I have to do anyway. It's really not a big deal, but it helps. $25 for a t-shirt to help. I don't think that's, I think that's fair enough. But with that being said, this was just now picked up. As you guys saw in the parking lot, all I did was went back, got my bag, and came right back in. So we are going to learn about this together. We're going to shoot this together and find out exactly how I feel about this Springfield Hellion. So first things first, as you guys can see, it has that beautiful Yoke Gang patch on there, www.yokegang.com. And in this first pocket, we have a lock, another Christmas tree ornament. We have our 30 round PMag, plastic magazine, I like. From what I understand, they also take all standard. It doesn't have a specific magazine for it. So that is good. All right, let's turn this over on the other side. All right, check her out. Ladies and gentlemen, the Springfield Hellion bullpup, chambered in 5.56 223. Beautiful. Let's run through this envelope right here first and see what's in here. All right, we have Springfield Armory sticker. Y'all know I love stickers. We have a warranty card. We have your envelope to send your warranty card back. We have a warning. Make sure you handle your firearms with safety, and your owner's manual. We'll be getting back to this for more specifics once I show you exactly what we got going on here. All right. We are in a safe and controlled environment, as you guys can tell in here. We are at the gun range, and here she is. She's clear. She has her flag in her, and she is quite interesting looking. I would say this is on my whole stormtrooper, this is the other side, stormtrooper looking firearms. Very nice. All right, we have a whole lot of landscape with the Picatinny rail at the top. We have flip-up sights, which seem to be very nice flip-up sights. We have an ambi charging handle. The charging handle can be charged from the left side, or you can flip this around on the other side and flip it on the right side. Let me do that for the camera so that you can see. Okay, we have right side charging. You flip this like this, and now you have left side charging, which is interesting. We have a nice handguard on the front that looks like that's going to be very comfortable. It looks like it's a mag pull. The grip on here is just enough aggression. I like that. We have our safety, and that's in a perfect spot. Easy to maneuver, nice and smooth. That was in my hair. All right, and we have the ejection port on the right side, but it can be switched to the left side. So depending if you're a right hand or a left-handed shooter, you have quite a few things that you can do to it to make it a more comfortable shooting experience for yourself, which I think was quite thoughtful by Springfield. This looks like this is an adjustable brace. It doesn't extend too far. I am shorter. I do have shorter arms, so we will be keeping that at the shortest level here. Look at that. Read that right here. I guess we got that Hellion to go with that Hellcat, huh? Yes, we do. Our magwell, standard looking magwell, our mag release right here. And we have quite a bit of QT spots. We have 2 on the stock. We have 2 right up here. And if I'm not mistaken, no, that's not. That's just for your hook for your sling. But it's nice. I am loving it. I cannot wait to get inside. I'm not. Okay, wait. Before we go on, let's talk about a little bit of the specifics. I gave you exactly what I knew visually, and let's see what the owner manual says and get a little bit more in detail as to what we are offering here. All right, let's see. Like I said, we are going over this together for the first time. I don't have, let me see, detail maintenance. I don't need maintenance. No, there's really not too much of a breakdown in here as far as weight, or I might be overlooking it. But with that being said, let me look one more time. One more time, let's just be sure. Oh, I did say about the flip-up sights. Yes, I did. Make sure you read your manual, you guys. It's not just a booklet. But, all right, I don't see anything in here with exact specifics and weight and all that good stuff. But what we are here to find out is it going to run? That's the most important part. Y'all know we come here for straight out of the box reviews. It has not been touched. Brand spanking new. So with that being said, let me check out my, oh, we're clear. Let's go in line. Let me get my eyes and ears and we'll be right back. All right, get inside. Today, but I believe you'll still be able to hear me. Hang this up right quick. Let's get our target on. How are you guys doing today? I'm doing great, thank you. Thank y'all for stopping by. For everybody who stopped by yesterday in the not yesterday, in the 400. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'll be watching your video.
What? You dap me up. You can't just walk away. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine, thank you.
All right, have a good one.
You too. All right, so if you guys were in 400K live,
Hey, cut this up here.
I had a blast with you guys. Thanks to everybody who came out. Hazmat, congratulations on your whole stack you took home. Well, you was already home, but you won. Congratulations. Check that out. You like? All right. Okay, so it does take, well, PMAG. I have a few PMAGs also that I brought that we will be using as well as the one that came with the purchase. All right, so we have 3 magazines now. All right. You guys excited? Me too. Don't go far. Let's load up. All right. Just checking her out. Sights look pretty good. Let me push that target back some more. All right. So this is the magazine that it came with. So we're going to use this one first. Y'all gonna have to come around. Come around, meet me on the other side. All right, this is the magazine that it came with. We're gonna try this one first. All right. She's charged. Gosh, she's so nice. I'm gonna take this shot. That was smooth. Oh my goodness. The system that they have in this stock, it almost feels like a spring. There is, I mean, the absorption of the recoil is amazing. Amazing. I'm enjoying the front sight. It puts me in the mind of the AK front sight with the circle with the pin in the middle. I'm enjoying that. I really can't see where I'm shooting on my target. The trigger. Woo! I couldn't help it. She's clear. Loving it. Come over. She's clear. What? I am completely, and there's not much cushion on here. There's nothing, but the way it absorbs into the body, there is minimum recoil on here. That is excellent. Excellent, excellent shoot. All right, let's get another magazine. I'm loving this. I am loving it. All right, this is also a PMAG, but it's not the magazine it came with. All right, that was nice. All right. Move my hair really close. Ooh. Smoking. Oh, she's pretty gassed. Check this out. This is probably just the oil burning off. But she is butter. Butter. And not, I can't believe it's not butter. We butter. Oh man, we got another magazine. I'm gonna come up just a little bit higher. Y'all wanna stay here? You wanna go around? Gonna go around? Let's go. The mag release right here is very nice, very soft. I like that. All right, we got another mag. Oh, I turned the safety on. There you go. Smoking. She's clear. Woo! All right, that was 3 magazines. Let's take a look at the target. Yeah, don't talk about my crank. Not too bad iron sights. That was probably some over 15 yards. Pretty good. Let's get a new target. Let's get 3 more mags because I'm enjoying this a whole lot. A whole lot. All right, if you're just not joining, we are talking about the Springfield Hellion chambered in 5.56-223. So far, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Love it. Super nice. She's hot, but the hand guard allows you to still hold her comfortably. Oh, love it. The trigger is amazing. Amazing. Y'all gonna hear me say this over and over again before we're done. She is great. Target's dancing. I love the fact that the shells are not hitting me in my face. The ejection is in a pretty good spot. Whew. She's gassed. Whew. I am enjoying her so much. So much. She's nice, ain't she?
Very nice.
Super sexy. Told you. All right. She's hot. She's moving. Woo! She's clear. Check her out. super hot. All right, guys, let's clean up and we'll be right back. All right. Oh, Target. What you think? Whew. I think we did first one, second one. Really good. Let's clean up and let's go have some words because I am well spent. That was an epic range day. Golly, my bag got dirty. This was amazing. Worth every dollar spent. I mean, she's super dirty. She's clear. We got the flag in her. But take a look at this. Added to my Stormtrooper collection. Oh man, this was super. I mean, she's hot. That had to be what? Well over 100 rounds. Just everything about her is just so sleek. She's clean. Her trigger is great. Just the fact that they thought about left and right-handed shooters was amazing. Even though I'm right-handed, I was able to use the charging handle on both hands, and it was great. The charging is super good. The grip, like I said before, is amazing. It's not too aggressive and it's not too smooth. The stippling on it is just right. Your sights, they are, I mean, really nice sights. They're adjustable. It looks like you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dials on here. Depending on how far it is that you're shooting, you can dial it differently. Yo, this is 100% Yoke Gang approved. I loved it. Completely loved it. Listen, again, and I'm not going to keep stressing y'all with it or drowning y'all out, but make sure y'all check out www.yokegang.com. I put a lot of work in that for you guys. I did. And I want you guys to make it official. I want you guys to take pictures with your shirts on and tag me on Instagram. Please tag me on Instagram. I want to see you guys. Please do. But with that being said, we had an excellent range day. I had a blast with the Springfield Hellion bullpup favored in 55623. But guys, I'm sorry I gotta let you go, but this is where it ends. I love y'all for life.